That is like asking, are you okay to be called a hijra? It's normal to be inquisitive. And I think for a long time, straight people and allies have always had these inquisitive, uncomfortable questions around what do they think the LGBTIQ community is all about. I, Zainab Patel, a proud transgender woman, is going to attempt today to speak to you on some of the top questions which I think need to be answered. Just about the same time you realized you were straight, I realized that I was gay or transgender. I came out only once 39 years ago from my mother's womb. But if you ask me factually, I came out as a transgender woman 30 years ago, almost after half of my life is over, because that's the time I actually got comfortable with myself. After having two elder girls in front of me, they thought that they finally got a boy, but they found out later in their life that they had another girl with them. What my parents did was the most sensible thing to do was allow me to be myself. But the right thing for parents to do is to love your child unconditionally. That is a question I face every day in my life. Why did you change your gender? Why did you change your body? Why did you make these modifications? Is it painful? The answer to that is yes. It is painful, it is difficult, it is traumatizing. But the fact is, if I were given a chance for even to live my life for one day as a woman, considering all the pains that I have gone through, I would still do that because that is my true sense of gender identity and expression. Arey bhaiya, if I am a transgender woman and if I identify as a woman and I like men, that means that I am a woman attracted towards another man. Similarly, if there's a trans man who's attracted to a woman, that makes him a straight man. Question is actually, who on this earth has not been subjected to homophobia? So if you are a straight ally, you've been always asked this question, why do you keep supporting homosexuals? Are you one of them? For the rest of us LGBTIQ people, it is something that we face on a day-to-day basis because of a misogynist mindset, because of patriarchy, and because of stereotypes that you all have against us. जितना आप नेचुरल हो उतना हम नेचुरल है. देखने का नजरिया में फर्क है. सोच बदलो और आगे बढ़ो. Straight community has the remaining 364 days in the year for them. Guys, wake up to the reality. We celebrate these days for a simple reason. Okay? We want the world to know that we are here, we exist, and we demand equal rights. We don't want special rights. We don't want to be put up on a platform. We want to be counted as equal. And the fact is that we do need to find our place under the sun. If we don't have these days observing us or celebrating us, the world will forget that we also exist among them. We are all in the same storm. But तुम्हारी किश्ती अलग है, मेरी किश्ती अलग है. That's why, just along with persons with disability, with sex workers, with migrants, it's the LGBTIQ community who's bearing a disproportionate brunt of this epidemic. You know, at this point of time, the only one value that you can do is to be sympathetic, to be understanding, and to be caring for each other. All of these distinguishing factors will not take you anywhere. Love, caring only will be the next way forward.